Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my Excel channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to resize multiple Excel columns all at once. Give them all a go and decide which one works for you. So let's get started with method 1. For this one, we're going to select the first column that we want to resize and drag it along to the last column that we want to. Put the cursor between 2 columns till you get the black cross and then double click. All of your columns that you've selected will resize. This method will choose the narrowest possible width. So let's reset. Let's get started on the second method. This is a little bit more manual. Gives you a little bit more control though. So what you want to do is select your columns again, and then if you then go to the right hand side of one of your columns and see the black cross, if you then left click, you will see the width displayed. So this is currently at 64 pixels for this last column I. If we want to put them all at say 95 pixels, release, they will all then be 95 pixels. How cool is that? Okay, let's move on to the third one. Let's revert back and reset our data. So the third method is select again your columns. This time if we right click and column width, and the 95 pixels was 7.91. Hit OK again. There we have our column all resized together. So why don't you give all 3 a try and choose the one that suits you best. The second 2 give you a little bit more control on how wide your columns want to be. If you want to know more tips on how to work with columns or indeed rows, then I'll leave a link in the description to some of my other videos. And of course, thanks for joining me, and I will hopefully see you next time for another Excel video.